Good morning guys, it's Sunday morning and today as part of my Sunday exploration plan I'm going to take you guys to Kanoka Village Resort. It's very new, it's opened in Assam, it's in Dhekiyajuli. It's about 3.5 kilometers far from Guwahati. It looked really convincing when I read about it on the internet and I saw photos and it was like really adventurous and everything. They had many activities which really convinced me for coming here, and I'll give you the honest review. And I'm almost about to reach Kanoka Village, so it's not much of wait for you guys. See you. Hi everyone, today I'm here at Kanoka Village, as you can see, and this is the main entrance of it. This village is in Dhekiyajuli and it is around organic tea garden, and there are lots of activities here which I have read about. So I just came to check out because my adventure soul could not keep calm. So come on, let's check out what's in there for us. अभी जो रिजॉर्ट का जो एक्चुअल एंट्रेंस है, जिसके अंदर आपके सारे एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स ये सब है, दैट इज़ अ लिटिल फ्यू मीटर्स फ्रॉम हियर. बट एज आई वॉक बाई आई जस्ट सॉ दिस आर लाइक बर्ड फीडर्स and they are super cute. It's like a miniature of tree house, as you can see there, and this super cute. That instantly caught my eye. Let's go to the actual entrance. Quite a walk, but the scenic was mesmerizing. तो यहाँ आते आते मुझे टाइम उतना ज़्यादा पता नहीं चला. So this is the actual resort. तो चलिए मैं इसके अंदर चलती हूँ और आप लोग को पूरे रिजॉर्ट के बारे में बताती हूँ. Here you have the reception. Therein you can collect your coupons from there. We have collected like silver coupon, and there is gold coupon as well. The only difference here is like you have to you get an option for non-veg, so that's really not for me. So I got the silver coupon which has free boat riding and fishing. So let's go. And now just as you enter the resort, on your right side you have indoor swimming pool, which is like not really big, as you can see, and I think they can really work at the cleanliness of the water. But it's cute, and it's basically for children, so it's like really small and compact. So let's check out the rest of the resort. So as you walk just 2 meters again, you have this park which is basically for kids. You have swing, you have this rope climbing thing and everything. So I think it's basically for kids, but it's like really peaceful, and even if you want to have coffee or tea in there, it's like really amazing. And there's something really really crazy which caught my eyes. You have a live sketch option here, so let's check out that, guys. Come on. So we have here live sketch, as we can see, and let's talk to the artist. Who's the artist? You are? क्या नाम है आपका? संदन. ओके, आपका काम दिखाओगे आप? तो पहले जिनका अगर कुछ बनाया तो so you can see, that's really amazing. The details are really great, and you can really, oh wow, this is really good. You see, it's crazy, right? So, and then I don't know if it's included or not in my coupon, but I'm going to get it done today with Roshni, and I'm going to show you the result, guys. So you yourself can decide if you guys want to get it done or not. And it's like really cheap, just for $200. So again, let's get going. I think this is the restaurant. Yeah, this is the restaurant. As you can see, people are working in the kitchen and there's a restaurant. Seems like really great arrangement with bamboo and can work. Like giving a feel of being in like authentic Assam village. So you can see there are like small cottages. So if you want to have like me time, or you just want to spend time with yourself, or maybe with your friend or anyone, so it's like a really cozy place, and it's like not much of disturbance. And you know what is this one plus thing about this village? It's like 3.5 hours far from the city, and it's very new, so not much people know about it. It's like really a plus point right now, because you don't want to be in much crowded place and everything. And the setup is really new, so everything is really clean and all. So I think it's like worth checking out till now. So let's go and let me show you boating, fishing, horse riding, and then I'm gonna take on every activities and give you review about it. So come on. This is boating area. I don't know what you call it, a pond. I think it's a pond because lake is like a bigger version of it. So it's like really a pond. The boats are really new, as I've already told you. The setup is new. So it's like really small, but my coupon, it covers those. So obviously I'm going to have those. So yeah, this is it about boating. And now let's go and find what other activity we have in here. So here you have all the activities. You have these rope climbing for adults, I think so. And you have these as well, like, I don't know what you call those. Crossing a tire bridge. And here you have a live kitchen. Oh my god, I swear guys, it smells so delicious in here. Let's talk to this guys and see what's cooking. So come on. Hi भैया, क्या बना रहे हो अभी आप लोग?
लोग यहाँ पे नॉनवेज का आइटम है।
यहाँ नॉन वेजिटेरियन है क्या? अच्छा, ओ अभी क्या बना रहे हो आप लोग?
अभी तो फिलहाल हो गया।
अच्छा, ओके ओके, मतलब ये स्नैक है या लंच है?
स्नैक्स है।
स्नैक्स है क्या? अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके।
हम लोग का इधर 4 नंबर डाइनिंग में है।
अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके।
मेन कोर्स से आता है।
ओह ओके,
बस यहाँ पे स्टार्टर के लिए ओपन किया हुआ है लाइव किचन।
ओके ओके, ग्रेट। सो यू कैन सी this is the live kitchen, so that you get in food and everything very fresh. And here you have another activities as well. Okay, what caught my eye is trampoline. Ever since I came back from US, I really wanted to do trampoline, but I couldn't find somewhere. I mean, some place where adult could do the trampoline thing. I hope it's for adult. Let me check out for you guys. Here you have basketball. Wherein you have it's just a chess setting. I mean, it's like really, I think it's a setting. Let's find out if the pieces are movable or not. Okay, oh, you can actually play. You can actually play it with this. This is so cool. This is so cool. And you also have a horse riding there. And you have archery. So you can see people playing. Come on, let's check out. It seems so much fun in here.
This is the trampoline.
So you can see the guest already playing archery. And I think, let's check out if he is able to make it or not. Just keep your camera here. Oh, it's a mess. No probs, let's go and check out the trampoline. Hey, ये adult के लिए है क्या? ये बड़े लोग के लिए है, बच्चे के ही है, बड़े लोग के लिए नहीं है। That's sad. It's just for kids again. I mean, like, it's really sad. I was like really hoping to be in that trampoline, but nevertheless we have other activities which we would be taking in very quickly. So come on, let's get into the activities. So this is an indoor fun area. Herein you have carom, tennis, football and pool. So you have even those option here. So just in case when you are whole day in here and you miss the city vibes, this place is like everything. It has got you covered. So yeah, that's about it. आप ब्लॉगर हो क्या? रिजॉर्ट का शूट कर रहे हो क्या? अच्छा
Cool.
So I've come here in restaurant. तो जैसे आप कूपन लेते हो उस हिसाब से आपका नंबर आता है एंड देन दे गिव यू अ कॉल बिकॉज दे मेंटेन द डिस्टेंस. सो इतना ज़्यादा क्राउडेड नहीं हो, सो दे टेक केयर ऑफ इट एंड दिस इज़ वेयर वी गोइंग टू सिट इन. और इट्स रियली हॉट इन हियर टुडे. तो पहले तो आई जस्ट हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, शो यू द कॉन्डिमेंट्स. See, it's really pretty bowl of steel, I guess, covered in banana leaves, and you have achar in here. You have 3 bowls of such kind. One is, as I have shown you, achar. The second you have something, I don't know, it seems like ये क्या है दीदी?
बेहुआई.
हाँ,
बेहुआई
वो क्या होता है बेहुआई?
सरसों की चटनी है. सरसों, सूखी और काली मिर्च और उसके अदरक, लहसुन.
ओह, साउंड्स एक्सॉटिक. सरसों की चटनी.
इसको हम लोग 7 दिन केले के पत्ते में बांध के रखते हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
ओह,
तो
द प्रिपरेशन इज रियली एक्सॉटिक.
आग के ऊपर 7 दिन ऐसे बांध के थोड़े रख देते हैं, जो 7 दिनों में मतलब आग का सेक मिलने के ये पकता है.
ओह, अच्छा.
इंटेंसिव.
या सो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, आपने क्या बताया? बेहुआई. दिस इज बेहुआई. यू हैव द थर्ड बोल.
It's very nice.
Everything is salt. Yeah. Sorry, I think I messed with it. This is, we have salt in here, and then we have some green and red chilies. This is what here we have in condiments, and as we have the menu for lunch, I'm going to show you what are we eating today. Just received my platter. See guys, it's so amazing. Everything is served in copper thal, and let me ask what all in we have here. तो आप बता रहे थे कि क्या क्या है. I'll just show you guys with the camera angle here. That should be fine, right? Yeah.
ये भिंडी की भाजी है.
भिंडी
और
की
ये
भाजी.
ढेकिया.
क्या है?
ये ढेकिया.
ढेकिया,
मतलब
अच्छा.
एक साग होता है.
ओके.
हाँ, ये
तो
केरले की.
करेले का, हाँ.
और ये गौर
Beans.
मतलब हाँ बीन्स.
हाँ.
हाँ, ये मिक्स वेज है. ये चालता टेंगा होता है ना, जो वो टेंगा बोलते हैं आसामी
हाँ,
में.
ओटेंगा. राइट
हाँ,
राइट, आई नो
उसका.
दैट. या हाँ.
हाँ, उसका ये खार है. ये पानी लाओ खार, इसका खार का पाउडर होता है. और जो पानी ये पेट के लिए ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है, मेरे को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए.
Oh, wow.
और ये राइस.
Okay, great. Looks really yum. Without wait, I think I should really start it because this looks really amazingly yum. Rice served in banana leaves. This is the first time I'm going to have such rice. Amazing! Yeah, I'm super excited. Roasted. Okay, so they give you. Okay, इसके साथ आपको ये दाल and आलू का चोखा.
They have given even more rice.
सैलड और आपको राइस का एक्स्ट्रा पूरा बोल. सो अमेजिंग. आई मीन दिस इज थिंग. आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग have to relish it first. Dal looks really
No, no,
calm.
it's Karela.
God. मेरे को तो सब इतना green vegetables I don't eat only anything.
So it's ये रोशनी की जैसे लोगों के लिए है जो कुछ भी नहीं अच्छा चीज़ नहीं खाते तो it's way too healthy. I always eat my rice with dal like this, so I'm going to
Dal
try
is there,
it.
no?
Yeah, dal
Yeah,
is
yeah.
there. You take dal.
One more bowl.
So, dal is wonderful. It's bit starchy and
Sofa.
I'm going to try other things as well. This is the boat ride. Okay, honestly I'm not really fan of it because this jacket is, it's making me look like really huge. That is one thing, and that too, why do I need jacket in this pond? Can you see? And it's so small and it's like surrounded and you have no views at all because you can see in my background, like you cannot see anything. It's like you are in middle of it and it's like really small pond and you have to do a boat ride. Why will someone want to do it, that too in such a sunny weather?
The weather is nice.
Yeah, weather is okay. It's not very bad. It's just little bad. So guys, finally I'm done with the resort and I have done so many activities as you guys have already seen, and it's late afternoon now and I got to start because it's really far from the city. It's 3.5 hours from the city, so I'll have to start now. And it was really fun day to be here. It was little bit on a sunnier side and the summer has not even started, so it was like really exhausting because when you do so many activities and the weather is so harsh. So I suggest you guys to get your sunglasses and cap. Like it's really essential when you come here. So thank you guys. Let me know in the comment below if you guys have visited or how do you like my video and how did you like this place, and if you have any queries also, please feel to interact with me in the comments. Thank you so much for today. Bye.